Okay, it's Wednesday morning, and I gotta let Primo out. He's right there. I'm speechless. This is our backyard, and I, I, I'm speechless. I have to let Primo out, and there's the door. I have no idea where he's gonna. This is gonna be interesting, and it's still snowing. Look at this. He's got to go outside. What are we going to do, Papa? All right, come on. Let's go open the door. Let's see what happens. This is going to be interesting. Oh, boy. Here we go. This is nuts. All right, maybe it's not too bad. There he goes. There he goes. Okay, you got a little spot. Isn't this crazy? Wednesday morning, February 2nd. And this is, I'm speechless. I'm not shoveling this. Look at this. Look at Primo. Yeah. He's looking up at the sky like, what happened? It's 9 o'clock in the morning. He has nowhere to go. Huh? You know, Ernie didn't go to work. I can't go to work because they canceled the university classes. And I'm what's tripping me out is good boy. That's the ticket. He's going to have a field day. Let's talk about Primo for a second. This dog comes from show dogs. Look at this. I'm so proud of him. Any other dog would never survive. Ooh, look, there he goes. Okay, I gotta go in the house because I'm freezing. I'm getting snowed on. Part 2 coming soon. This I just don't know. I just never seen this before in my life. I've never experienced this. Look at him. Look at my dog. Go, baby, go. Look at him. Be careful. Come on. I'm so proud of you. Any other dog would never make it. Come on, Papa. Primo. This is nuts. I don't believe this. Oh, man. I know for some people this is normal. Not for me. I've been in Chicago 20 years now, and I have never seen this before. And when I lived in Tennessee, no, never. So, 2011 is coming in with some fierce drama. And, yeah, it's not good. It's a good thing that car is dead right there. It's not going anywhere. The car's in the front. I don't know. I'm going to go take a picture of the front yard now.